Aloha mai kākou. Again, Aaron Mahi here to share with you the Hawaiian word of the month, or nā Huaʻōlelo, aka Malama. Remember last week we talked about pua, or flower, blossom. This week we're going to talk about pua, but not only as a flower, but to mean in a poetic sense, a child or descendant. These are the examples. Ku'upua mai ole, meaning my flower which never fades. This could literally mean the flower, but it also means a person's beloved child from childhood all the way to adulthood. Ku'upua mai ole. Kaulana nā pua o Hawaii, famous are the flowers, but it also could mean famous are the descendants of Hawaii. Kaulana nā pua o Hawaii. Aloha, until next time.